How to add multiple effects to a clip in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and select the clip you want to add effects to in the timeline. Make sure the clip is highlighted so that any effects you apply will only affect that specific clip. Next, go to the effects panel, which you can find in the top left corner of the screen. In the effects panel, you will find various options like OpenFX, titles, generators, and more. Now, scroll through the OpenFX section to browse all available effects. Once you find an effect you want to use, simply drag and drop it onto your clip in the timeline. You'll immediately see the effect applied. To add more effects, just repeat the same process. You can drag multiple effects onto the same clip. Each one will stack, allowing you to combine different visual styles and enhancement. After adding effects, you can adjust each one individually. Head to the inspector panel on the top right. Under the effects tab, inside the inspector, you will see all the effects currently applied to the selected clips. Here you can customize the settings for each effect and even enable or disable them as needed. Finally, if you'd like to reuse this combination of effects on other clips, you can right-click the clip, choose copy, then right-click another clip and select paste attributes. Make sure to check the plugins box so all the applied effects get transferred. And that's it. Now you know how to add multiple effects to a clip in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.